Hey, I've got a little secret for you. If you are a smoker, if you've had years of, say, a lot of coffee drinking like I have, if you're missing teeth, if you would like a whiter smile, try Prop-On Veneers. You will not regret it, I promise you. I found an ad for these on the web. I decided to give it a shot, and these are just what I needed. You get the uppers, you get the lowers. They're really strong. They're light when you're touching them. They're not thick, but they're really strong and they're comfortable. You can eat, you can drink, you can chew. I have never had a problem. I used to have to take out my partials in order to go out to lunch with someone. And now I put these in the morning. I can go the whole day. Watch this. Snap. Look at that on the bottom. Easy. And now I've got a white smile. I can talk, I can chew, I can eat, I can drink, anything. Prop-On Veneers has given me so much confidence, and I really am grateful for my brand new smile.